What up everyone, Sean here with Mopar Vibes, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a phone mount that holds your cell phone in your car for a Dodge Challenger 2008 to 2014. The company that makes this is ProClipUSA, and from what I've heard from many people in different car clubs that I'm in, is this is by far the best phone mount that you can possibly buy. So we're going to go ahead and open it up, see what's inside the package, and then we're going to go through the installation process. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so it looks like my package came with the mount, which clips onto your dash. It has the phone holder. If you're wondering which one you should be ordering, it looks like the item number is 246605. There you go, medium universal adjustable ProClip holder. Awesome. And it also came with a packing slip providing the business information and all the order details and stuff. Cool. They also sent a package. It looks like it has a thank you card in there, maybe a t-shirt, and a ton of stickers. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. Just a piece of tape, right? A thank you card. Thank you card is handwritten. Thanks for becoming an influencer. Just a friendly reminder to read the instructions and watch the research of other installation videos before you post. Also, please install the vehicle clip before attaching the phone holder. Look forward to seeing your posts. Thanks, Cody D, ProClipUSA. It was really cool that they sent a personal card directly to me, and it was handwritten. Also sent out a t-shirt. Hopefully it's my size. Let's see. It is an extra large, should work. And it is an orange color that says like ProClips on it. It's pretty cool. Does it say anything on the back? It does. And the shirt says mount something, hashtag mount something. And the front of the shirt just says ProClipUSA. So if you want a ProClipUSA mount, go to their Instagram. It directs you to their website, which is pretty awesome. So they also sent a ton of decals, which is really cool. I like this one. It's for like it looks like a window sticker. It's got white and the red and it's clear. And then you have these stickers right here. This might work better on my car because the car's white. So yeah, pretty awesome. So let's go out and install this. So for this installation, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and it gives you a little tool to go ahead and actually help you install it. Because it's so hot outside, it's 85 degrees, I'm probably going to do this with the air conditioning on. I'm also going to take down my radar detector, get out of the way. Plug it. It's kind of a blessing and a curse that it's 85 in winter in California. It's too hot outside. But now that I have my windows back up, I can take my sunglasses off at least. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now is we're gonna go ahead and start the installation process. And it starts off with actually installing the mount. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on first. Take that out of the package real quick. And here's a little hard plastic mount. It's got some adhesive on the back side. The main reason why the adhesive's there is so it doesn't slide around. You don't necessarily need it. I've seen a lot of people install it without removing the adhesive because they don't want it to stick to the dash. Your dash, I might choose to, but then again, I might be getting a new car soon, so maybe I'll just install it and see how it works so far. The next piece you guys need is a little tool that looks like this. It just helps you create a little gap in your dash. right here and there. You know, this is for the 2008 to 2014 model. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little like wedger thing and wedge it between the dash and the radio, and it creates a little gap. I'm going to do mine on the passenger side a little bit further because I don't want this on the driver's side. I need my AC to run hot. So then you just clip it in, push it in. So now that's installed, what we're going to go ahead and do is we need to go ahead and take the mount and screw it into these little holes. So the screwdriver I had wasn't small enough, so I had to go inside and go get another screwdriver that has a sharper point so I can get the screws out. The actual screwdriver would be easier. Perfect. So now these two pieces are separated. And now that these two pieces are separated, this back piece can screw in to the mount. It's actually simple. You actually just got to turn it at an angle so that it's accessible. Make easy work with everything. So that's in, one down, 3 to go. We can take the faceplate. Now you take the screws that you originally unscrewed and screw them back in. Screwed in. It's tight. It's on there now. So now I can get my phone in there. It is the exact size. These things slide out based on size. It's rather cool because you're able to actually go into some quick functionalities super easy now that you're not holding your phone, and turn your phone sideways and record yourself, which is really cool because something that you couldn't do before easily, and now you can. So thank you, ProClips. This is awesome. It was a quick, easy installation. And you know, if you want to take a break or something like that, you can watch a movie. Gives you a giant touchscreen that I didn't have before. I have the Samsung Galaxy S10, and this mount gets larger. So if you have a larger phone than that, I don't even know what phone's larger than the Galaxy S10 Plus. So, you know, so far it's great. It's really sturdy. It's not going anywhere. You can easily turn it. You can also angle it. So if you want it to face towards the passenger, that's really cool. And then just turn it back. Alright guys, so what do you think? Do you guys like the way it looks? It's super functional. I'm going to use it probably all the time because it just makes life easier for going on road trips, taking phone calls when you are driving. It's 100% hands-free. And I live in California, so it's a law. You can't have your phone. You can't even be touching your phone unless it's held by something else in California. So super helpful. If you want to get your own, make sure you use the promotion code Instagram12. Go to ProClipUSA.com. Once again, ProClipUSA.com. Instagram12 to get your discount. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos and installations as I just partnered with iDrive for a throttle control, which is a response kit to help with throttle lag for my new car. So make sure you stay tuned and check out the new video.